Elaine. Welcome to my channel, Handful of Daisies DIY. Before we get into the craft fair, I wanted to show you what we have for next week. We're going to be redoing this dresser. It needs a lot of love, so let me know in the comments below what color I should paint this. Typically I do white, but I would like to do something a little different with it this time. So let me know what you want to see this dresser look like. As you can see, I have many more other pieces to do, some antiques that need a lot of love. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on these furniture pieces. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for supporting my channel. And I hope you're finding inspiration in the projects we've done so far, and you're trying some projects on your own. With that being said, let's get to the craft fair. So it's Friday and setup day. We got there pretty early, so there weren't a lot of vendors there yet. We originally had a 10 by 10 space. Because the state of Virginia no longer has COVID restrictions, we were actually given 2 spaces. So instead of one 10 by 10 space, we had 2 10 by 10 spaces. So we were able to spread out a little bit. So we got everything set up. And of course I went back and moved things around 3 or 4 times. If you're interested in any of the items that you see in my space, you will find them on my website at ahandfulofdaisies.com, and I will link that for you below. Here's a look at how we ended up setting things up. And of course the next morning I brought in a few more items. Now this is the booth directly across from me, and these people were so nice. They do craft fairs all the time, so you can see they have so many items, and they were so helpful in giving me information. This was my first craft fair, so it was definitely a learning experience for me, but they gave me a lot of tips if I decide to do another fair. So if you're thinking about doing a craft fair, definitely talk to other vendors and see the different things that they do and get all the information you can. When I was trying to prepare for the craft fair, I went out and tried to find videos on how people set up and other tips and tricks, but there really weren't a lot of videos out there. So in this video, I just wanted to show you a lot of how people set up and what their booths look like. And this is setup day, so there's not a lot of vendors here yet. So it's Saturday morning and the fair is getting ready to start. So I'm just going to take you through and show you all of the different vendors. You can see there's a lot of empty spaces. Like I said, the state of Virginia had just gotten rid of all of the COVID restrictions. So instead of everyone being spaced apart, there was a lot more room. So it looked a little empty. There were so many great vendors here and lots of amazing items. I love going around and just seeing all the creativity that people have. There are a lot of talented people here. And here we are back at our space, getting ready for the doors to open. My wonderful helpers, my sister Candy and my daughter-in-law Dana. I appreciated all of the help they gave me this weekend. And of course, it's always nice when your family comes to support you. All of my grandkids showed up, which was wonderful. And there's my husband, Dean. I hope you enjoyed the craft fair video. Don't forget, next week we're going to be doing that furniture piece. So let me know in the comments below what color you want me to paint that dresser. And you'll also find me on Facebook and Instagram at A Handful of Daisies Home Decor. Don't forget to sign up for our VIP Facebook page where everyone can share their home decor ideas and their DIYs.